Hello students, today we will discuss about another rearrangement reaction, Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. This is also a MSc Final 8th A paper का part है. Today we will study about this. First is introduction. What is Wagner-Merwin rearrangement? This is also a carbonium-ion rearrangement like the pinacol-pinacolon rearrangement. Intramolecular, it is also intramolecular. In this, what happens? First of all, neopentyl carbonium ion produced, then migration of one methyl group along with its bonding electron to the primary carbonium ion carbon and produce a tertiary pentyl cation. Basically, this is the Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Now, this tertiary pentyl carbonium ion undergo deprotonation to produce alkenes according to Sedgwick rule. मतलब deprotonation occurs according to Sedgwick rule. As you know, Sedgwick rule that product will be formed in which that alkene will be produced which is more substituted. Or this tertiary pentyl carbonium ion formed by the rearrangement undergoes substitution by the attack of other strong nucleophilic reagent and produces substituted product. So basically Wagner-Merwin rearrangement is what? It is the migration of methyl group along with its electron pair to the neopentyl carbonium carbon. Okay. Now, because two things are possible, either this rearranged tertiary pentyl carbonium ion can undergo deprotonation to produce alkene or can undergo substitution to produce the substituted products. So, we will study these in two forms. First is formation of alkene by the deprotonation. Okay. First example is neopentyl alcohol. This is neopentyl alcohol on heating with concentrated H2SO4 undergo dehydration. How? Look this. Undergo deprotonation or dehydration and produce this 2-methyl butene 2. This is the major project because it favors by the Sedgwick rule. And the other is this is 2-methyl butene 1. So, by deprotonation, two products are possible, 2-methyl butene 2 and 2-methyl butene 1. Out of this one is a major product that is in larger amount, about 75%, and this one is minor amount because it doesn't favors the Sedgwick rule. Now we will see about the mechanism, how it occurs. Here, it is the mechanism. This is neopentyl alcohol. This one is neopentyl alcohol. Here, on heating with acid, this proton attached to this oxygen and produces what? Produces this hydronium ion. This hydronium ion. From this hydronium ion, this OH2 remove along with its bonding electron here in the form of water and produces what? Primary carbonium ion, or we can say this is neopentyl carbonium ion. This is neopentyl carbonium ion, and carbonium ion is in primary because positive charge on primary carbon. This So this is primary carboniamine. Now this neopentyl carboniamine methyl group uh, along with its bonding pair of electron migrates to this carboniamine and produces what? Tertiary कैंसिल ही नहीं हो रहा, अटक गया, and produces what? Tertiary carboniamine. This is tertiary carboniamine. जब यहाँ से मिथाइल ग्रुप इस पर चला गया तो ये टर्शरी कार्बोनियामाइन में बन गया. तो बेसिकली वेगनर मीरविन रीअरेंजमेंट क्या है? वेगनर मीरविन रीअरेंजमेंट इज दिस: द माइग्रेशन ऑफ दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप along with its carboniamine, along with its bonding electron to this carbonium primary carboniamine, and production of this tertiary carboniamine. Now this tertiary carboniamine undergo deprotonation from the adjacent carbon atom, from where it can be removed from here, it can be removed from here, it can be removed from here. So deprotonation will take place from that carbon, which will produce more substituted alkene according to the Setzeff rule. So look here, this one, deprotonation occurs, and from where? Here, from this carbon deprotonation occur, and we will get the product this one. मेजर प्रोडक्ट हमारा क्या होगा? 2-methyl butene 2. And if deprotonation occurs from this methyl group, then we will get butene 1, 2-methyl butene 1. This will be minor product, and major product will be this one. So by deprotonation we get this 2-methyl butene 2. Second है, by substituted product, formation of substituted product. Whenever this neopentyl alcohol, this is neopentyl alcohol, first of all attacked by the acid, undergo dehydration, forming primary carboniamine. This primary carboniamine undergo rearrangement, Wagner-Merwin rearrangement, and we will get this tertiary carboniamine. Now this tertiary carboniamine by substitution ये नहीं काम करता. Now this tertiary carboniamine, by the attack of next nucleophile which is chloride ion, here ये कहाँ अटैक करेगा? यहाँ अटैक करेगा, और अटैक करके क्या बनाएगा? दिस सब्स्टिट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट 2-chloro 2-methyl 2-methyl butane, 2-chloro 2-methyl butane. So we get substituted product from the neopentyl alcohol to 2-chloro 2-methyl butane, which is the rearranged product, and rearrangement is what? Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Now the driving force, what is the driving force in between this reaction? Number 1, stability of rearranged tertiary carboniamine. As we know, in comparison between primary or tertiary carboniamine is more stable, so it prefers the migration of methyl group to the primary carboniamine. So, secondary, the steric repulsion is more in primary carboniamine. So you can see here that this is primary carboniamine. There are 3 methyl groups on 1 carbon, so there is steric hindrance. So due to this steric hindrance या steric pressure, one methyl group when migrate to this carbonium ion, primary carbonium ion, giving to this tertiary carbonium ion. Now this in tertiary carbonium ion there is only 2 methyl group, so steric pressure released. So therefore this Wagner-Mervin rearrangement occur. Next time we will take another examples in which there is Wagner-Mervin reagent and other reactions of other compounds. Okay, thanks.